Your first court date is called the arraignment. The judge reads the charges, you enter a plea, and that is it. No witnesses testify, and no evidence is presented. The hearing will go forward whether or not you have any paperwork with you, and most defendants arrive without it. Bringing your documents is about helping yourself, not the court. When you were released from custody, you likely received a notice to appear or citation, a pink form called a DS-367, and property receipts. Bring all of it if you have it. The DS-367 is your temporary driving authorization, and it carries the case number tied to your DMV administrative action, which runs on its own separate track with its own deadline. That DMV deadline is urgent and completely separate from your court case, so knowing that number early matters. Bring a government-issued photo ID. If your physical license was taken at arrest, the DS-367 itself can serve as proof of identity at the courthouse. Also bring your attorney's direct contact number and a copy of any retainer agreement, so you can reach counsel instantly if there is last-minute confusion. Before you arrive, write down the vehicle code sections you were cited for. The most common are Vehicle Code 23152A and 23152B, meaning impaired driving and driving at or above 0.08% blood alcohol. Writing them down lets you confirm what the prosecutor actually filed, because charges can shift between arrest and arraignment. If you have already enrolled in a DUI education program, attended an AA meeting, or taken any other voluntary step since your arrest, bring proof. A program enrollment receipt, a sign-in sheet, or a letter from a counselor all count. Judges and prosecutors notice when a defendant takes responsibility before they are required to. It does not change the charges, but it can affect how a judge exercises discretion on bail conditions and early negotiations. California courthouses are large, parking is limited, and security lines can add 15 to 20 minutes. Look up your exact courtroom number before you go. Arriving late to an arraignment can result in a bench warrant being issued against you, which immediately makes your situation harder. Dress conservatively, arrive calm, and bring a notepad and pen. You will want to write down your next court date, any conditions of release the judge imposes, and any instructions from the clerk. Walking in organized and on time is the simplest thing you can do to start this process on solid footing. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.